We're quickly learning that life on the boat is dictated by the weather. Sometimes we struggle with the question of when to stay and when to go.
There is a song.
We're trying to figure out if it's time to tie up the boat and wax the surfboards. Hi Tony, it's Tim.
We find out that the author of the book Surf Science lives just around the corner. Maybe he can help us to understand things a bit better.
Yeah, Wednesday then.
All right. Yeah, cheers Tony. See you soon. Bye. Bye. Really good. Ready? Let's do this.
Woo! Road trip!
Like us, Tony's life is centred around the forces of nature. He's an oceanographer and has spent 20 years surfing big waves in this area.
He has some fresh ideas about how we can live in harmony with nature.
We think that we're the dominant species on the planet and we can do what we like with the natural environment, and really we're not. We're just one element amongst it, and so doing something like surfing helps you to understand that. When you're out in the surf, you've got no choice to modify your own behaviour according to the changes in the conditions. For example, if you see a big set coming, 6 waves, 5 metres high, what are you going to do? You're going to build some machine that says stop, You can't. You've got to get out of the way as quick as you can. So you've got to train yourself to understand the sea and understand how it works and when these waves are going to come and break on your head, or maybe you can even turn around and try and ride one. What people do is they build their houses and their hotels and cities right on that mobile interface, and then of course they complain when the sea comes in and tries to invade their structures that they've built on that mobile interface. So then what they do is they build even bigger structures to try to hold the sea back, to try to stop nature. That's like being a bit arrogant, really. It's not being humble, it's not respecting the fact that that part of nature took millions of years to evolve. You can be happier and better in lots and lots of ways by doing something that is also good for the environment and good for everybody else and good for the planet.
The natural world is a beautiful thing in all her power. And as we're learning from this life on the boat, it's something we can't control.
We only can adapt our behavior. by being open to new opportunities. So let's adjust the sails when the wind is changing and ride the waves when they come rolling in. Why should we fight the forces of nature when we can be happy riding along with them?